You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Both British and American pronunciations are just similar, very similar, just a little different. In British English it's said as accomplishment. Stress on that second com syllable. Accomplishment. Accomplishment. In American English, accomplishment. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.